Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be discussing about mitochondria, chloroplast, nucleus, and other remaining cell organelles. In last video, we had seen about various cell organelles along with endomembrane system. In that lesson, I had told that mitochondria and chloroplast were not part of endomembrane system. Do you remember why? Because their functions are not coordinated and they work independently. Mitochondria is a double membrane bound structure that appears as a cylinder. Sometimes it is also called sausage shaped. The outer layer is even and acts as a barrier. The inner layer has many infoldings. These infoldings are called cristae. These increase the surface area. Don't get confused with cisternae of Golgi apparatus. In mitochondria, you will find cristae. In Golgi apparatus, you will find cisternae. The space that is covered by inner membrane is called matrix. Small hook-like proteins are attached to the cristae. These are called F1 particles or Racker's particles. Remember, where do you find F1 particles? You will find in the mitochondria. Main function of mitochondria is to produce energy currency in the form of adenosine triphosphate, that is ATP. Hence, mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria has its own DNA. This organelle is also called semi-autonomous organelle. Next group of organelles is plastids. Plastids are not found in animal cells. Plastids are pigment-containing membrane-bound structures present in plant and algal cells. Mainly three types of plastids are found. They are chloroplast, chromoplasts, and leucoplasts. Chloroplasts are chlorophyll-containing plastids and they appear green in color. Chromoplasts contain colored pigments other than chlorophyll. The leaf of the mango tree before turning green appears brown. That brown color is because of presence of chromoplast. Leucoplasts usually do not contain any pigment. Instead, these store some food materials. Three types of leucoplasts are there. Elaioplasts, these store oil. Eleuroplasts, these store proteins. And amyloplast, these store starch. Chloroplast is a type of plastid that contain chlorophyll green pigment. The leaf appears green because it contains chloroplast. Chloroplast contain green pigment. This chloroplast is not found in animal cell. Chloroplast is a double membrane bound structure. The space covered by inner membrane is called stroma. Inside the chloroplast, you can see flattened membranous bag-like structures. These are called thylakoids. Many thylakoids are arranged one above the other like a pile of coin. And this special arrangement is called granum. Granum is singular word. Grana is plural word. Like mitochondria, chloroplast also has its own circular DNA. Main function of chloroplast is to carry out photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the synthesis of food material. You had already studied about ribosomes. In brief, ribosomes are cell organelles which are not bound by any membrane. In prokaryotes, you will find 70S ribosome. In eukaryotes, you will find 80S ribosome. Ribosomes are made up of two subunits. Here, S means Swedberg unit. Swedberg unit is nothing but sedimentation coefficient. Inside the cell, there is a network of proteins that keep the cell in proper shape. These cytoskeleton proteins give mechanical support to cell, and these cytoskeleton proteins also play a role in movement of vesicles. Cilia and flagella are hair-like outgrowths of a cell. These mainly take part in movement of cell. From past video, I hope you know about flagella of bacteria. Here, Cilia and flagella of eukaryotic cells are different compared to flagella of bacteria. Cilia is short compared to flagella. It is the flagella that is mainly involved in cell movement. Cilia and flagella are made up of core material called axoneme. Axoneme has 9 pair of microtubules arranged as a circle. Inside this arrangement, one pair is present at the center. This arrangement is often called 9+2 arrangement. Remember, cilia and flagella are both made up of microtubules. Even centrioles are also made up of microtubules. Centrosome is another important structure found only in animal cells. You will not find centrosome in plant cells. Centrosome is not a single organelle. Two centrioles together are called centrosome. Each centriole is arranged perpendicular to each other. Centrioles play an important role in separation of chromosomes during cell division. Next important cell organelle is nucleus. Nucleus was discovered by Robert Brown. Nucleus is a double membrane bound structure and it controls all the activities of the cell. The membranes are called nuclear membrane. It contains small openings called nuclear pores. Nucleus mainly contains DNA in the form of chromatin threads. These chromatin threads condense and form chromosome during cell division. The fluid present in the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. In the nucleoplasm, a small spherical body is present. It is called nucleolus. Nucleolus is not bound by any membrane. Where you will find nucleolus? Nucleolus is present inside the nucleus. In the nucleolus, ribosomal RNA is synthesized. Chromosomes are colored bodies that take stain. In the eukaryotes, DNA is packed to form chromosomes during cell division. Chromosomes have a centromere. The ends of the chromosomes are called telomere. Based on the position of centromere, chromosomes are 4 types. If the centromere is exactly present at the center and it divides chromosomes into 2 equal parts, then that chromosome is called metacentric. The chromosomes with centromere present near one of the arms, then that chromosome is called submetacentric. The length of the arms are not equal in the submetacentric chromosome. If the centromere is present extremely towards the one end of the chromosome, then that chromosome is called acrocentric. In some chromosomes, the centromere will be present at one of the ends of the chromosome. Then that chromosome is called telocentric. These are the questions based on the topic we saw. You can pause and answer the questions. Which of the following has its own DNA? Answer is chloroplast. Remember, chloroplast and mitochondria have its own DNA, and DNA is also present in nucleus. Next question. Cytoskeleton is made up of protein filaments. Third question. Which organelle produces energy from carbohydrates in the form of ATP? Answer is mitochondria. Mitochondria produces adenosine triphosphate by breaking down carbohydrates. Next question. Ribosomal RNA is synthesized in which organelle? In the nucleolus, ribosomal RNA is synthesized. If you found this video to be useful,
like or share ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का like और share ठोक दीजिए.
For upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. I thank you for watching.